Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this grow a garden tutorial, I'll show you how you can go from total noob to rich gardener in Roblox by selling your plants the right way. So here I'm already on my garden and I'm actually new to this game. And if you want to know how you can get money to buy more plants and seeds, this is what you are going to do. So you can just go to the plants that you grow before, like this two in here. You can see this one is strawberry and this one is carrot. You can just select the plant, click on E on your keyboard, or just click on the plant like this. And after that, you can just click on sell at the top and it will bring you to the store to sell the stuff. You can just click on E to talk to the owner, and here you can choose the option I want to sell my inventory. I want to sell this if you're holding it. And you can also ask for the price first. For example, here I'm going to sell strawberry and I'm going to just ask for the price first, and they will tell you the price. And if you want to sell it, you can just click on E again and click on this one, I want to sell this, and you can see you'll get the money. You can repeat the steps if you want to sell your plant again, just like that. And you can use this money to buy more seeds. And thank you so much for watching. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.